You may be wondering, why is this TP-Link? Jack Review Stuff like Total Link. I'm Jack from Jack Review Stuff, and today we have a ADSL modem router. Oh yeah! Because Client's Place doesn't have fiber. Razer Viper Mini review, link in description. Today's seller is Ukas. I love Ukas. Ukas is the shop to go to when you want to buy modems and stuff. Delivery was like 2 or 3 days, which is pretty good. You have newspaper, in case you get bored. Receipt. And the modem. Then more newspaper. I have the big spaceship router thing, which is the AC2600, which is like the fastest for multiple connection. Then I got the other one, that's the 1200. Both links in the description. That one is for SIM cards like 4G. Yes, in 2021, why are we buying a 300 Mbps wireless end router? Well, because client was using Streamyx, and Streamyx is actually below 100 Mbps. In fact, it's below 50. It might even be below 10. I'm not sure. But there's no point in buying a router which can support 1 Gbps when we're even getting 5%, 10% of that speed. So 300 Mbps for a 100 Mbps connection, no problem. Oh, Chinese New Year sales, 88 ringgit. Cardboard. Cardboard is recyclable. Oh, I had this one before. Long time ago. So yeah, this is a very basic router. You're basic. Roll up. Okay, turn. You turn? Yeah, you turn slowly. And you can drill 2 holes, 2 screws in the wall and hang it here, like that. Please remove this before use. The hot air goes through. There's no fan, it's passively cooled. And there's no USB port. There's a phone line connection, and then there's a LAN 1, 2, 3, and power, and then the power button. Press on and it stays on. Press again, it comes out. And this is a WPS button and a Wi-Fi button. I don't like it when they put the WPS and the reset button together. It's like, okay, you press it once for WPS, and you press it for a long time for reset the whole damn router. All the settings gone. I've been through that before. I had to set everything all over again. Can you at least put the reset button separately? And with the Wi-Fi button, what is that for? Turn on and off Wi-Fi? I'm not hating on this router. I'm thinking back when I pressed the WPS button and reset everything last time. Pissed me off. Okay, Total Link can set up a router by using the phone app, and so can this. Go to http://tplinkmodem.net, or, which is much easier to remember, 192.168.1.1. At least in my mind, 192.168.1.1 is easier for me to remember. Where is it? It's not complicated. You have a Cat5 cable. It's been a long time since we've seen a Cat5 cable with a modem, because usually we have like Cat5e or Cat6 or Cat6e or Cat7. No, Cat5 is enough. What's this power cable? 9 volt, 0.5 amps. Huh, okay. Normally it's 12 nowadays, but I guess a little bit more voltage. It's 9. The box doesn't smell nice. Gives you a bit of phone cable. Gives you more phone cable because they have a filter here. ADSL phone filter. I haven't seen this in years. Basically, you put the phone on one and the computer on the other. That's why I have extra cables. Okay lah, it's 88 ringgit. If you need it, get it. But seriously, if your Streamyx modem breaks, good luck calling Streamyx and getting a dead replacement for 88 ringgit. This one probably works just as well. And it's got a warranty with Ukas. Was that 1 year? 3 years warranty. Oh my goodness. Yeah, don't even bother calling customer service. Just buy this straight. Yeah, I'm gonna go and set it up. Subscribe.